So then, back to the tinny quality of my phone. I haven't emptied my memory card, so I'm not using the GoPro. The point is, I've gone to pick up weed, and I'm just not feeling it. Like, I just fucking hate England, and it's just a piece of shit. And everyone in it is just long. Unless you're in Brighton or Bristol, I exclude those two towns. But otherwise, you're all cunts. But the point is, I fucking come all the way to town. I left my bank card in Spain. For those of you that pay attention and watch my videos, I left my bank card, lost it in Spain in my wallet. I got a new one ordered. It came yesterday. I was like, okay, I'll go out and pick up weed. Went to fucking use the bank card, and I left the other letter in with the pin in the fucking front room. So I've now got to go all the way back, get the letter with the pin, get another train, and pick up weed. It's all kinds of long. But the point is, all this effort I put in to get weed, literally, but I don't put it into life because I just don't think it's worth it. Whereas I know what I'm going to get out of weed, whether it's bad or good. It's like when I only eat fucking burgers when I'm abroad. It's like if you only go to McDonald's, it's bad that you're only going to McDonald's, you're not trying anything, but you know it's shit, so you know you're eating shit and you know where you stand, rather than getting something which is hyped up as good when it's shit anyway, so you might as well have just gone for the shit that you know is shit, but at least you know what it is. So the point is, weed is more worth it than anyone else. But I haven't left the house since I've been back. I've just been locked away in my room. I haven't left, and it's just so dead and mind numbing. But then I came out to get weed and put all this effort in, and I'll continue to put in the effort until I pick up tonight. So it's just a bizarre one, really, isn't it? But yeah, I was hoping that he would tick me, but he's saying no, blah blah blah. He won't be able to pick up tonight if he fucking whatever, whatever. I'll just go back because I've got all money in it. It's not the fact I don't have the money. It's just fucking annoying that I left my PIN number. But yeah, I'm just telling you that a major trip is planned, and it's going to be one-way ticket and a rucksack. There's a few places that I've decided that could potentially be the spots to go to. I've done a little bit of research on YouTube and that, but we'll see, we'll see. But either way, I'm doing it. Like, this is my final picking up of draw, and then that's it. I'm off. I'm away, mate. I'm away. And there's certain people that I've been trying to get hold of and contact, and it's just doing my head in. Like, so, like, there's no point in me being here, like, at all. Like, there's nothing here for me. And it's not a case of doing reckless things and ruining your life, because I'm not going to do nothing reckless. Like, I've learned what is good and what's not, but yeah, it's just fuck it, mate. Fuck it. I'm excited though. I'm so excited. My last week, literally my final week, and then I'm going. No matter what, I'm going. I just one-way ticket, and you just see what happens. I literally would just see what happens. Mm. have a driver or a conductor, one of the two. Just seen him walk down, so hopefully, I don't know, still got a bit of time. I might even smoke a cigarette, to be honest. Right, this is the last time I'm gonna say it. I fucking hate England. Like, I feel bad for saying it, because obviously I've seen different sides of life, and there's people that are dying to get here, literally dying. Like, my life is somebody else's dream, but it's not the one, bro. It's not the one. Like, it's too much effort. Like, it's too much effort. And the only thing I can do is bitch about it. So if the only thing you can do is bitch about it, then you just simply leave. Like, literally, problem solved. Like, because England will always be England. It's not going to change on my account. Like, so, and it's not the world that's like it. It's just England that's like it. And that's where, like, get it twisted. Like, tarnishing the world with the same shitty brush as England. Like, no. Anyway. That is all. They got rail officers riding the train. Like rail enforcement. Rail enforcement right there. It don't matter because I got a ticket, so I ain't bothered. They can come chat to me all they want. I'm gassed, mate. I'm gassed. Point is, I'm not going to live forever. Like, do you know what I mean? We automatically assume that life is just endless and it's just going to keep going, and it's not. Eventually, you're going to get to your date. Every year, yeah, you pass your death date. Like, every year. Like, think about it. We're in a new year right now, a new month. So, from now until next January, at some point, one of those days, you're going to die. And you pass it every single year without even thinking about it or knowing that that's the day you're going to die. 5 years from now, a year from now, 2 days from now, a day from now, like, you never know. So I ain't getting any younger, so I need to just go off and do what I want to do, but not be reckless. None of it matters. Everything's bullshit. It's all just fucking made up. Like, everything's just made up. So, yeah. Food, water, shelter, that's what you need. Everything else is just made up. It's all just nonsense. There's a driver right there. There's a driver right there. Anyway, stay blessed for now.